Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I am so excited to share this month's Fold It Club with you. It is so adorable. I just love it so much. Now, if you are not in the Fold It Club, you cannot get this. You cannot buy this on my website. You cannot do anything to get this unless you join the Fold It Club. Now, the monthly commitment to any of our clubs is only 3 months. So you can sign up, test us out, make sure you fall in love with us. And if for any reason you want to cancel after the 3 months, you can. It's kind of like the trial period, right? And then once you decide, hey, I love these people, you just stay in. After 12 months, you get your anniversary gift card of $15 off of our website. It's so awesome. The freebies, all the goodies. So just saying, sign up now so you can get this cutie pie because let me tell you, it is oh so cute. Are you ready? Get set. Here we go. It is this adorable, adorable hedgehog with balloons. Let me tell you, you are going to have so much fun decorating this little hedgehog. Let me just give you a little example of how adorable this is. Look at that. Isn't it just so dang cute? This little guy, I'm telling you, keep looking up, it says. Now, Fold It Club members, yes, you are getting the dies right here. You're getting extra spot things for the balloons, the little strings. You are getting little extra pieces for the eyes, so you have everything you need and those fun balloons to decorate. Now, you are also getting in the Fold It Club stencils. Now, let's take a look at these stencils because I always like you to see them up close and personal, because it makes more sense, right? So number one, you are getting this awesome balloon background stencil, which is so fun. Totally coordinates with the hedgehog, right? But you are also getting this one, which is so fun. With our stencils, I have them etch it and have the cutouts on it. So you will be able to line that up perfectly. You can do patterned balloons, which is so much fun, right? I love it. And it's just so cute. I'm telling you, you are gonna love this one. Now, you also get a handy dandy postcard with a couple ideas, but rest assured, my friends, so many more ideas are on our online gallery, okay? So just keep that in mind. There's lots more ideas on our online gallery. This has 3, but you have lots more. Now, most of our Fold It Club members, I'm gonna say about 85 to 90% of our Fold It Club members also get the add-on stamps. They have chosen to get the add-on stamps. It's an extra $8 for a 4x4 stamp set. But you are getting so many awesome stamps on here. You are getting hedgehogs to you on your birthday. So you could say hedgehogs on your birthday. You could say hedgehogs to you. Living on the hedge, which is funny. Keep looking up, which is so cute. And be fearless. Then you're also getting the cute little hedgehog with the balloons that match the big design. This is perfect for your envelopes, for your backs of your cards, anything you want to decorate. Now let's jump in and look at all the awesome samples my design team made. I always love to brag about our design team because they're so amazing. So here is the Fold It on a, not a shaped card, on an A2 card base. So you can see you can do it as a shaped card or you can put it on an A2 card base. When folded, this Fold It is A2 in size. It will fit in a standard A2 envelope. But there you have it on an A2 card base. Here we have him on half of a rounded gatefold. Look at how stinking cute that is. Look at the little guy with the little party hat on. I just love it. Now you can also put it on a 5x7. Now, for the Fold Its, this goes for all of them. You can put them on 5x7s, on A2 card bases, any card base you want, or use it as a shaped card. Look how gorgeous it is on a 5x7 card base. Here's another one as a shaped card. How cute would this also be as a tag to someone's present? Now here, this cutie pie, oh, it's pink, I love it. Here is this cutie pie on our folded corner A2 card base. Look how cute that is with those glitter balloons. Here it is on our 5x7 flip it. Look how cute that is. Isn't that fun? I absolutely love that. It's just so cute. And 5x7. So they fit perfectly on 5x7s as well. Or you could put it on another Fold It. Our design team is just absolutely amazing. They come up with such great ideas. Now, here is another one again. Look, keep looking up. That's on the stamp set. If you're in the Fold It Club, by the way, if you're in the Fold It Club and you do not get the stamps currently, you can go into your account on our website, click My Account up at the top, and go to your clubs, and there's a little button that says Add stamps to the Fold It Club. You can add that on. It's only an extra $8, and that comes shipped automatically with your Fold It Club. So if you want those add-on stamps, they're always fun puns too, you know, on the head, living on the hedge, hedgehogs to you, things like that. Perfect for these cards. Now, last but certainly not least is a banner. You know how much I love my banners. Look at how gorgeous this banner is. Isn't that totally fun? He is up and away. It says hedgehogs to you on your birthday. Now, Fold It Club members, you know I have one reserved for you. You can sit back, relax, and know it's on its way to you. If you are not in the Fold It Club, my friends, you need to sign up ASAP to get this one. We only order a certain amount. I order enough for everyone that is already in our Fold It Club. And I do add a couple extras because I know people are going to see this, fall in love, and want to join. And I want to make sure I have enough for you. But do not wait, because once they are gone, I do not reorder them and we are sold out for that month. So make sure you join ASAP. Again, those are already in the Fold It Club. I've already reserved one for you. I already have one with your name on it. Rest assured. My friends, thank you so much. Go to our website, stampsoflife.com. Click on Join the Club and watch that video. It explains all of our awesome clubs, all of the goodies and the freebies and the discounts. It's just so amazing. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click that like and subscribe buttons, and we've added some featured videos that you might want to check out on the screen. So check out one of those and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel because we always release new videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.